Hey, I'm Pasha, and right now what we're going to do is we're going to take a moment and we're going to relax. All right? We're not going to worry about that campaign or the copy or the video. We're going to relax. And we're going to let our brain relax so that all that other stuff will get done a whole lot easier. We're just going to take a moment right now to close our eyes, breathe, and listen to the birds outside. Breathe, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, exhale. How you feeling? You feeling a little better? See, this is something that I do when I'm in the middle of a campaign. I'm in the middle of just doing whatever type of project. And you get that brain fog. And all of a sudden, it's just like you feel like you got to do 50 million things at once. And your brain is just like, do nothing. Here's one tip. I go outside. I go in nature. I listen to the birds. Pick a nice friendly tree. Touch it. You'll actually start to see that some of that anxious energy starts to leave your body through the tree. And I breathe. And then I get back in there and everything is so much easier. So, I have more tips just like that. Okay, I actually wrote a cheat sheet about the things that I have done to be able to lessen my anxiety. In fact, I did them so much that after the cheat sheet was written, I don't even have anxiety anymore. Now, I'm not saying that just by reading my cheat sheet is going to take your anxiety away. No, you actually have to do some stuff. But those things are in that cheat sheet. So, if you want it, go ahead, click the link wherever you see. Could be above, could be wherever. And go ahead and download that cheat sheet. I am giving it away for free because there's so many entrepreneurs out there who need this, okay? And if it's going to help you be able to clear your mind so that you can get your project off the ground, because I'm sure your project is going to change a lot of lives, right? And we need you to complete it. So in order for you to complete it, you got to get through that brain fog and that anxiety. And I want to help you. So go ahead and grab that cheat sheet, okay? And on my website, you'll actually see something called the Samurai Reset, okay? I actually use something called solfeggio frequencies in a specific sequence on a playlist to be able to completely reset my mind and my body so that I can get back to work or to do anything that I am trying to do at that moment. All right? So check out the Samurai Reset. Go ahead and grab the cheat sheet, and I'll have some other amazing things for you for free too. Talk to you later.